This etude is not very hard, but it requires precision and it requires certain bow technique that doesn't overpower the sound, because you're already playing on 2 strings. You don't want to be too loud, because the sound becomes just too aggressive and too loud and too difficult to process for people when they're listening to you play or practice. So I would take it down a notch. So if you see if it says forte, maybe think mezzo forte-ish and don't press so hard. And of course, be precise with the left hand. It's all about the angle and the placement of the fingers, and of course, doing this in a timely manner. That's not easy, but that's kind of part of the a way to learn how to play the double stops on violin. If you guys enjoying what I'm making, I hope to see you on my Patreon page. And I thank you for your support. Patreon is a paid site, so it helps me support this channel and provide quality content for everybody. And I hope to see you there soon. Thank you so much. Also, if Patreon is not for you, you can subscribe. You can become a member of my YouTube membership site. I would appreciate that as well. Either one is great. Basically, you see very similar content on both sides. Thank you very much again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.